Welcome, my friends, to another edition of Wilhite Works. This is the fourth video in the Laredo Sheath buoy project, and I just want to give a little update on it. Here is the top side with the welts glued in with that 2-into-1 pattern. Notice that I've got a piece of leather glued over the button stud so that it won't make contact with the blade. And what's interesting about this moment is that, as you can see here, the blade fits perfectly. And then look at the tip there and see how everything's fitted nicely. There's a little bit more fitment to get, and I've left it long on purpose so that I can sand that down. But what's interesting about the next step is that as I take this piece and glue it on, it's got to be glued all at the same time with the knife in there so that the geometry works out for the full flat grind. And that way there's not any weird shapes or geometry going on. But this is an interesting look at where we're at, and that's kind of a different perspective on what it looks like at the moment. So once that's glued, then the next thing will be to sand it down to the final shape on the edges, and then once that is done, I will then lay in the lacing lines and drill the holes, and we'll do that on the back side as well. But just want to give you a little update. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you on the next one.